I started Taekwondo when I was 5 years old, and because of the Power Rangers, and that's why I'm here today. My favourite is the Red Ranger. Just all the kicks and, you know, morphing into the Red Rangers and stuff, and I just loved everything about it, and I can't believe that I'm being a Power Ranger for a day, and it's amazing. Our preparation's going well. I'm going all around the world for competitions and training, and got a year to go, so yeah, I'm feeling good. You know, it's really exciting and got a lot of competitions before the Olympics, a little bit more time and more training to do, so hopefully I can be there and get that gold medal. Yeah, I've extremely enjoyed it. You know, it's been a childhood dream to be the Red Ranger, and you know, here I am today, and you know, with the photos and everything, it was just amazing.